Boom. We're good.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a review of this mini electric chainsaw by SAKER. Like I said, it does have the case. It has everything that you can need. Has gloves, has your screwdriver, has some oil, has every material that you need. It has 2 extra saw chains, some safety glasses, and a charger for your 2 batteries. So these are going to be 20-volt batteries. Here, this is going to be your safety. You press this down, start it.
But you can see we drug all that off. And yes, this little SAKER chainsaw. But this probably still has what? 3 still full. And I've been using it earlier today and still got plenty of battery left in it.
You gotta oil this.
Just slicing right through them smaller pieces.
She's a beauty.
That's got some incredible veins. That grabs really nice. I wish my chainsaw grabbed that nice.
That was quick and made it a lot easier and safer using this little one-handed battery-powered saw. A lot easier than running a gas saw when you're standing up in a tree and having to run 2 hands. So, yeah, another good use I could have for this little saw is if I was going to go freestand hunting somewhere, something I need to make sure I had my shooting lanes clear. Throw this in the backpack with battery off, obviously, and it's super light and very packable.